Hello students, today we will learn about the concept of voltage regulator. Majority of the electronic circuits required DC power supply. It can be generated from AC power supply. Whatever AC power supply is available, that is been converted into DC power supply. Let's see how. The purpose of voltage regulator is to keep the voltage in the circuit relatively close to the desired value. Voltage regulator consists of transformer, rectifier, filter circuits, voltage regulating IC. Initially, you will require step down transformer to convert higher AC voltage into relatively lower values. Usually if that is 230 volt AC voltage, that is to be converted into 15 volt using step down transformer. After step down transformer, there is a circuit called as rectifier. There are various types of rectifier: half wave rectifier, full wave rectifier and bridge rectifier. So after the rectifier, at point B you are having rectified waveform. A filter circuit is used to filter this rectified waveform. The output of the filter is DC signal with ripple. Now we will use one more block to remove these ripples, that is voltage regulator. Voltage regulator is used to generate constant regulated DC output which can be given to the load. So initially the AC signal, which is of higher amplitude, let's say 230 volt, is been converted by transformer to the lower value. Usually the transformer is step down transformer. That smaller amplitude AC waveform is then converted into rectified waveform using rectifier circuit. This rectified waveform is the input to the filter. Now filter will filter out that waveform and a pulsating signal is converted into a DC signal with certain ripples. Now in order to remove these ripples, we need to use voltage regulator. At the output of voltage regulator, depending upon the value set in that voltage regulator, output will be a regulated output. So if that is 7805, output will be 5 volt. If that is 7809, output will be 9 volt. But accordingly you have to design the previous circuit, previous blocks of the circuit. So the first waveform shows the output of transformer, which is the input to the rectifier. It is AC signal. The next waveform shows the output of rectifier circuit. Here it is full wave rectifier. The third waveform shows the output of filter circuit. It is the DC signal with ripple. And finally, when you are applying this DC signal with ripple to the regulator IC, the regulator IC will give you constant DC supply depending upon the design. There will be certain voltage drop across the each component in the voltage regulator block diagram. So if at all you want 5 volt DC regulated power supply, you may require a step down transformer which will give output as 9 volt. So 230 volt to 9 volt step down transformer may be required to generate 5 volt DC regulated power supply. Well, this depends on your circuit element. You may require 230 volt to 12 volt step down transformer depending upon the losses in between the circuit components. Thank you.